If you're experiencing issues with payments not going through on current 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause payment processing issues. Step 2. Verify payment information. Double-check the payment details you entered, including card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Any discrepancies can lead to payment failures. Step 3. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the current app. Go to your device's app store and check for updates. An outdated app may have bugs that affect payment processing. Step 4. Review account balance. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrok.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to current customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help resolve any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any payment issues on current 2026. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the support team.